Hello guys, welcome. This is Deepika from wealthandhealthmastery.com, and in this video we are going to see the importance of ebook and how you can create an ebook in Canva. So the most important thing is ebooks are very important and they're also very crucial for any online business. You can sell these ebooks on platforms like Amazon KDP, or you can even use this ebook as a medium to get your audience's email address in exchange for giving them the ebook. Make sure your ebook has a lot of good content in it and a lot of good information which your audience will like, and they will be willing to give their email addresses in exchange for this ebook. Now, email addresses are very important for an online business because through emails you can send these people, your audience, an email, and you can be more personalized with them. You can send recommendation. So these email addresses are very important to grow your audience, because through these email addresses you can send your audience email, personalized messages, and kind of engage your audience in your content. And you can send your audience to a blog post with full of affiliate links, and this is how you can make money. So ebooks plays a very important role in collecting email addresses from audience, or just selling it on Amazon, and you will get royalty payments from them. So first important thing is, how do we create the ebook? And there are a lot of online tools that are available that you can use to write your ebook, but I won't recommend to just copy paste from those tools and just create an ebook out of that. You can use that as an outline, or to get an idea on what to write, and then you should always add your flavor to your ebook, because ebook has to be something that it sounds like you, because you're the one selling it and you're the one writing it. So the ebook has to have your flavor, but you can use different tools that are available. One of them is Jasper AI, and you can use ChatGPT as well to get an outline to prepare some contents for your ebook, which will give you some information to start writing your ebook. So I repeat one more time, don't just copy paste what tools like ChatGPT has given to you or what Jasper AI has given to you and just create an ebook out of that. No, because that is going to sound very robotic. So first important thing is, let's say we want to create an ebook on passive income. And the most important thing is, we'll go over to ChatGPT and we'll ask him, give me an outline for a book on passive income. So here I'm going to say, write me an outline for an ebook on ways of passive income. Okay, this is my outline which ChatGPT is going to give me. It's going to have definition of passive income, why passive income is essential, then the chapters. These are the different chapters that are available. Now, once you have created the outline, the other important thing you can ask ChatGPT is to create some 500-word document on let's say a particular topic. So here I can ask him definition of passive income. So here I can say, write me 500-word description on definition of passive income, and then hit enter. And now it's going to start writing what is passive income, why is it important, why you should have passive income coming to you, so things like that. So types of passive income, digital product income, things like that. So it has created a 500-word, but you can't just copy paste this and create an ebook out of it, because it sounds very robotic. So first important thing is, you have to rewrite it or write in a language which is easy to understand, but you get an idea of how to get the contents for your ebook. Now, once your contents are there, once you have all your 10 chapters or at least 100 pages ebook, the next important thing is, you'll head over to Canva here and you will go and create a design. Now, there is nothing called as ebook here. There is an ebook cover, but there's nothing called as ebook template that you can use. So what you have to do is, you have to use either an A4 document. A4 document is like a ebook style, or you can use the US letter. So we'll go ahead and use the US letter here, and that is of the size 8.5 into 11 inches. You can see here, this is the letter head that I'm going to use. These are the dimensions. Dimensions are 8.5 inches into 11 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and here you can start writing your ebook. But what is the difference between using this and using a Word document, right? So here, if you look for ebook over to your left hand side under the design, there are ebook templates that are available or ebook pages that are available. So you can use this information, ebook multiple pages. You will get an idea on what to write. Okay, so let's say we use the first page here, business today, and you start writing about your ebook, okay, and how to start your profitable online business by, and you can customize this, and you can say by Deepika Khanna. And then here also you can replace the contents. There's an image here which you can change, and if you right click on it, cancel, if you right click on it, there's a detached image. You can delete this and you can put your own image over here from the uploads tab, so that you can customize it. Let's say we liked something like this, you can use your own image here, and you can customize it. And let me flip this horizontally, and you can put this over in this frame, and if you double click on it, you can move it around like this way, you can move it, or you like this, you can move it around here, and this is how your image looks like. And you can start writing over here, and then once you have completed this page, you will go over to the next page and add your contents here. Now there are other templates that are available that you can use. For example, if you wanted to get just a blank page and on which you want to start writing, you can use something like this, and over here in the middle you can start writing. So it'll have this design from the right hand side, and this is your center page where you're going to write the contents of your ebook. So you can go ahead and let's say we copy the contents from here. So I'm going to go back to ChatGPT, and let's say we start with this one, passive income. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this. Let's say we copy this first line here, definition of passive income, and all you need to do is paste it. And then here you can organize this. You can change the size of your font, because right now it's too small. So I'm going to go ahead and select this, move it on the top, and let's say we increase. First of all, we have to get the boundary correct, so I'm going to go ahead and put it into this boundary. And once I have this, I'm going to go ahead and do a Control A, and let's say we change it to 16. So this is definition of passive income. Passive income is money earned with minimal active effort or ongoing involvement. So you got an idea. Now this is changed to all caps. Now you can reduce it and make it, basically you can use this uppercase or lowercase, and this is your first content that you have written. Now over here, definition of passive income, I want to change it to, let's say 40, and you want to bold it. You can use bold here, and then similarly if you want to change this to, let's say 20, this is how it will look like. So you got an idea, and similarly you get the next line, and you're going to copy it and Control C and do Control V over here, and you can copy the next piece of content for your ebook over here, and then just use the copy style here. So just use the copy style here. So there is a copy style effect that you can use. So I'm going to go ahead and use this copy style and put it over here, and it will have the same look and feel for the text. Okay, so your book is coming along together. Then you can add a table of contents, you can add a thank you page, things like that. So this is how you can create an ebook, and once you are all ready, you can go ahead and share this ebook, and you can download it, and you can download it as a PDF standard, which is best for documents and emailing. So I'm going to go ahead and use PDF standard and flatten the PDF, and which pages you want, we'll do all pages, and then hit the download button. So it's very simple to create an ebook in Canva as well, and the purpose is you get these designs from Canva, and you can use this, and then you can download it and put it in a Word document and then upload it under KDP, and you're ready to sell your ebook through Amazon KDP platform. So this is how you can create an ebook, and you can create ebook up to 100 pages within Canva itself. But let's say you want an ebook that is more than 100 pages. All you need to do is you basically duplicate it and you write the remaining contents on a different ebook, and then you can use PDF mergers, which can merge the contents of two documents together. So you can use tools like that to merge the contents, but in Canva you can create ebooks for about 100 pages, and you can use these ebooks to sell on platforms like Amazon or in exchange for an email addresses from your audience. So once you're ready, this is how you save the ebook here. So I'm going to say ebook on passive income. So this is my name of the ebook, and you can also create ebook cover in Canva as well. So all you have to do is go to File, click on Create New Design, and then here you have ebook cover here. So ebook cover, and it is going to give you different templates that are available within Canva that you can use to create your ebook cover. So let's say this is one we have. Now you can customize everything on this ebook, from its name, from the title of the ebook, then this image is there, then this illustration is there. You can change anything. You can change the background color, things like that. You can do all of this within your ebook cover. So you can create ebook as well as ebook cover within Canva. What used to happen before was Canva used to give you a much more better templates of ebooks within Canva, but those templates are not available right now, but we have at least something to start with. So ebooks is another thing that you can create within Canva. Now let's say you want to move any of these pages. Let's say you want to move this page on the top or this page below. You can use these arrows here to move this page on up, or you can put this down by using these down arrows. Now once you are fully ready with your ebook, if you want to lock that ebook, you can use this lock icon here to lock your ebook. And if you want to add a new page, you can duplicate the page, or you can add a page as well using here. And if you didn't like a particular page, you can use this delete icon to delete that particular page from your ebook. Okay, once your ebook is ready, you download that ebook and you can put it in a Word document, edit it, whatever you want to do it, and then you can upload it on KDP, or you can just use it as an exchange of your email addresses. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.